It's a fact that statistically 11% of you are afraid of the dark, 34% are terrified of small spaces, and 3% will wet your pants at the sight of a stupid clown. Boo! Boo! Okay, none of you look very scared. This though is one of the first games we play with babies. How weird that we like to scare them. Obviously, it will be a tougher job to scare you. So you've made it this far, and therefore you'll be people that like to break rules and act outside the norm. You're drawn to risk taking, and like many of us, you like a fright. But why? Well, fear is in our DNA. In evolutionary terms, fear is incredibly healthy. Without it, your ancestors wouldn't have been here long enough to survive and pass on the genes that define you. It's good for you. So today then, you're going to find yourselves in a unique adventure, and I really want you to immerse yourselves in this experience, and then afterwards discuss it with each other. You might find you end up questioning your own perceptions and memories. But though, can I ask you to keep what happens on the ride a secret? Please join in with that. Be part of the secret. It's much more fun if you don't know what's coming. And if you think you know what a ghost train is, think again. This is the ghost train reimagined. This is my ghost train. I'll see you on the other side.
If you could please place on your protective eyewear. If you need to adjust the size, you can do so using the straps at the back. And if you need to adjust your screen, you can do so using the dial at the side.
All clear, ready for dispatch.
You're brave. You know there's gas down here. Charlie. They're drilling. That's why there's so much gas. It's infecting them. I can see it. But not with my eyes. Does my eye look okay to you?
Subcore Energy is dedicated to keeping your journey on track.
Subcore. They're drilling too deep to feed our greed for things we don't need. And it's rotting us from the inside. There's hundreds of them down here. The infected ones. They're like ghosts. Ghosts on a train track. There's one of them. Hold your breath. She can't see you, but she can hear you breathe. Help me! Help me! It's rotting us from the inside. Demons are coming. They came from hell! They came from hell!
Ladies and gentlemen, please evacuate the train at the next station.
Headsets off, guys, headsets off. You need to get off the train. Please follow me, quick, this way. Follow me.
Off the train, come on, careful. I need you to all cover your mouths. There's a dangerous gas down here. Come on, we're gonna get you to safety. Control, is the tunnel a safe exit route? Are you receiving? Right, come this way, keep your mouths covered. This way, we're gonna head to the tunnel for safety. Come on, we're nearly there. Okay, we're gonna head down this disused tunnel. I just need to get some clearance from control. Control, are you receiving? Is the tunnel safe? Are you receiving? Ah! We need to evacuate, quick! Get back to the train! Back to the train!
Quick, back on the train and please place your protective eyewear on.
Excuse me, I think I want to get off. Babe, sit down. No, I want to get off. Excuse me. That's it. Your journey has come to an end. And as you step outside, you'll realise you were here all along. Wow.
Please follow me this way to the gift shop.
Hello there, sir. Would you like to view your photo? Oh, yes, please. I don't suppose you have your photo ticket on you? Yeah, I do actually. Is this the one? Ah, yes, that's the one. Thank you. There's your photo. Oh, awesome. Can I get that with my DigiPass? Is that alright? Oh, you sure can. Ooh. Just a moment, sir. We're having a slight issue. Would you mind just waiting a second? Oh, yeah, of course. I'll just browse the shop for a little bit. Oh, what's going on? Excuse me. Excuse me. Keep it a secret. What? Can I use my DigiPass now? Hello there guys, TheJackSilkstone here. So I really hope you enjoyed watching that video there. I know it was so stupid and I made a complete fool of myself, but I hope you guys had a good laugh at it. I've just got 3 things that I quickly want to say. First of all, this video has taken so long and so much work has gone into it. So if you did enjoy it and if you are still watching to this point, a like on this video would be appreciated so much, as well as a share, and of course be sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already. You would really be helping out the channel more than you think. The second point is, I'm sure many of you would have noticed throughout that video there were so many Easter eggs packed into that video, and I would love to see how many you guys have spotted. So be sure to comment down below which Easter eggs and how many Easter eggs you managed to spot in this video. And the third and final point is that because this video has taken so long to make, I have a ton of behind the scenes content that I will be uploading to my second channel, More Silkstone, so you guys can see the way in which we made this video, the way I edited it, all of the funny outtakes and things that went wrong whilst filming this, because trust me, a lot went wrong. But yeah, I'm going to be uploading all of that to my brand new second channel, More Silkstone. And yeah, otherwise, thank you all so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. My name is TheJackSilkstone. Goodbye.
Nah, I ain't feeling that. You never proved me back. You never did jack. Hold that. I think I'm way, but I'm definitely not sure. I'm never washed up. I know I got more. Painting pictures with words. Top drawer. Trying to find a middle ground as a lost cause.